Welcome to the beauty of Islam. Today we explore the heart of the Quran, Surah Al-Fatiha, a short surah yet filled with deep meanings that guide every Muslim's soul. Introduction and naming history of Surah Al-Fatiha. Surah Al-Fatiha, known as the opening chapter of the Quran. It is also called Quran, the mother of the Quran, and As-Sab'ul Mathani, the 7 often repeated verses. Why these names? Because it opens not only the Quran, but also our daily prayers, 5 times a day. Revelation context and central theme of Surah Al-Fatiha. Revealed in Makkah, Surah Al-Fatiha was one of the earliest revelations. It came to console the Prophet Muhammad, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a message of divine mercy, hope, and guidance. The central theme of Surah Al-Fatiha. It's a conversation with Allah, starting with His praise, then our plea for guidance, and finally, a path to salvation. 3 segments. Breakdown. Surah Al-Fatiha has 3 powerful parts. First, praise of Allah. All praise belongs to Allah, Lord of the worlds. Second, worship and dependence. You alone we worship, you alone we ask for help. And third, a dua for the right path. Guide us to the straight path, not the path of those who went astray. Special relationship between beginning and end of the Surah Al-Fatiha. Notice the journey, from praising the Creator, to declaring our need, and finally, asking for the best life path, a divine roadmap. Virtues and benefits of Surah Al-Fatiha. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "No surah like Al-Fatiha was revealed in the Torah, Injil, Zabur, or even the Quran itself." Sahih Muslim. Reciting Al-Fatiha brings healing, mercy, and protection. It's called Ash-Shifa, the cure. So next time you recite Surah Al-Fatiha, don't rush. Feel every word. Understand every verse. Because this surah is not just an opening. It's the door to your connection with Allah. This is the beauty of Islam.